Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is a Husky 2-in-1 folding utility knife and sporting knife. Now, I've tried finding reviews, but the only thing that I'm finding, it's a double pack. It's a razor and then separate is a pocket knife. So, needed a new one for the kit. So I thought that I would open this up, take a look, and share my thoughts. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's go ahead and dig right into this. We're going to go ahead and remove the protector from the pocket knife section. Go ahead and take a look at the razor blade side. Got the protector, you can go ahead and throw that away unless you plan on saving it for some strange reason. And go ahead. So to remove the blade or change the blade, you're going to take this locking mechanism here, pull it toward you, and you're going to pull this slide out. And you can go ahead and remove the blade. You remove any packing grease from it. The blade's really simple to change. You can go ahead and put the new blade in. Take the door, and slide the door. Locking mechanism, blade cutter here in front of the blade. Go ahead and push it toward the center. Pull it. That has a smooth action. That opens very nicely, closes very nicely. Go ahead and take a look at the blade side. That's not as smooth as the razor blade side. I'll go ahead and do that one more time. That was a little bit better. Let's go ahead and clean this off. So it's got a smooth action. The blade doesn't look too bad. Now, going back over here to the razor blade side, if you're confused on how to change the blade, right here is a roadmap which will actually explain to you how to open by depressing the clip and pulling the door over so that you can remove and change the blade. Push that back closed. And now, it does have a little bit of play, but the nice thing is it does look like you can take it apart so you can fully clean everything. We've got two screws back here. Same thing here, you got a little bit of play. Not too much, not too bad. And to be expected for a $12 knife. But we'll see how it works. The same thickness as my Pittsburgh. So we have a Harbor Freight Pittsburgh razor blade on the right, your left. And we've got a Husky here, which I got from Home Depot. So thicknesses are about the same. We both have the belt clip. Husky 2-in-1 box cutter and sport blade. Not too bad, not sharp out of the box. 12 bucks. I'll put it in my kit, test it out, see what I think. So I'll probably do a follow-up video if I don't lose it. It's highly possible. So, not too bad. Craftsmanship, the way it looks, the way that it feels, everything ain't too bad. So, we'll see. Maybe I'll do a follow-up video. Like I said, if I don't lose it or I break it. But if I do break it, that'll most definitely be a follow-up video. So, thanks for watching.